Hi, my name is Shadib Hussain, and in this project, what I'm going to work on is I'm trying to use an STM324291 discovery board to detect any hand tremors which are present in a Parkinson's disease. We know SM32F429 discovery board has an embedded gyroscope. The gyroscope is L3GD20 and it would be used to analyze and detect tremors, which are usually in the range of 3 to 6 hertz. So how does it work? So the first step would be to make the raw data collected from the gyroscope along the XYZ axis, make it pass through a low pass filter. The next step would be measure the smoothness, and that is determined by the spectral arc length. The third step is to measure the peak power. And following that would be measuring the angular velocity, converting that to frequency and making sure they are within the 3 to 6 hertz to determine if that patient is actually a victim of Parkinson's disease. There would be two cases. In one case, I would be volunteering without my hand trembling, and in the next case, I would have a trembling hand, which is demonstrated in the next video. So the cross mark on my hand would be the place where I would be placing my gyroscope. To further ensure that there is actually a change in the gyroscope reading, I would tilt my hand at different angles, but always making sure it is less than 10 degrees. So now you would see this is my STM32. It is connected to my laptop. This is the gyroscope code that I'm running just to make sure that it's working. The first step is to run it, build it. So I click on this one and you would see it's a success. That means the code is okay. And the next step would be to click on this one, which is to upload it into this STM32. And you would see it's a success as well. And now look at the data of the gyroscope data. So you would see over here the values of GC. If you normalize it, it's around 8, 16, 11. This is the normal value of a gyroscope. Now, if I was trembling, my gyroscope would be tilting as well. Now look at the values of GCs. It's going to be much higher, like 93. You could see over here 93, 517, much higher. Okay, so 93, 50, 92, 207,